Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you a very home style curry which is prepared with bottle gourd, potato, soya chunks, and we have added coconut. It's a South Indian curry that I'm preparing and served it for rice and roti. Turned out excellent. We'll start prepping the veggies first. I'm going to show you from the beginning what all we prepped and how I assembled the curry. My mother has started to peel the bottle gourd, and we'll be using only half of this bottle gourd and we'll use the other half for the other curry. So she's going to chop this into large chunks. Once she has peeled the bottle gourd, she's chopped it into half and quarters, and she has removed as much as hard seeds as possible because that is not edible and it's not going to taste good in the curry. So once she has removed all the seeds, she'll be chopping it into large chunks. So how much ever size you're going to chop your bottle gourd, the same size we're going to chop even the potato. So once she has cleaned all the seeds, she's chopping it into large chunks, and she's placing the vegetable in a pot of water. So we'll prep all these veggies. I've also started to clean the soya chunks. What I've done is I've heated a wok on medium flame. I've added the soya chunks and dry roasted it. So this is 150 grams of soya chunks that I'm using. If you feel this is too much, you can add just 50 grams of it. So this soya chunks is a good replacement for meat. It tastes excellent. Now once the soya chunks have dry roasted, I've added 3 cups of warm water, placed it on high flame. We have added salt, chili powder, turmeric powder and pepper powder. Stirred it and cooked the soya till the soya has absorbed most of that water and it's cooked all the way through. Once the soya has cooked, it will turn spongy. Cook the soya further for another 10 more minutes until the water is frothy. Now we can remove this from flame and rinse it twice in running water. Once we have rinsed the soya in running water, we'll squeeze it and reserve it in a bowl. So this is how I prep this soya. Now this soya is also ready. I'll start grinding the coconut. We'll be using fresh coconut. So we have chopped the fresh coconut into small pieces. Quarter cup of coconut is what I've added to a small mixer jar. I've added quarter cup of mint and coriander, which is finely chopped. We'll add a splash of water and grind this into a smooth paste. Grind this into very fine and smooth paste because this is going to be the curry base. Now we have reserved all the ingredients required for the recipe. All the prep work is done. Here you can see I've already cleaned, prepped and reserved the soya chunks. Potato and bottle gourd is cleaned and chopped. We have not peeled the potato. We have used the skin and the potato. We have sliced and reserved the onion. Slit and reserved the green chili. Chopped the tomatoes and reserved. We need half a lime. I'm using a curry masala paste which is ready-made and it's available in the market. Ginger and garlic paste. The ground coconut, chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. Here I will be using peppercorns, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon and fennel seeds. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video along with measurements, or a detailed recipe will be posted in my blog. The blog link will be posted in the iCard above this video, or you can click the description box below this video which I have posted a link. You can click the link, it will direct you to my blog. I've heated a pot on medium flame and added groundnut oil. Once the oil has reached temperature, I've added the spices and allowed it to crackle. We'll be adding the onion, tomato and chili. We'll fry the onion, tomato and chili till the onion turns transparent. So this is going to be our curry base. For regular updates, do like me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All my social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also posted in YouTube channel. YouTube channel link will also be in the description box below this video. Now once the onion has turned transparent, I've added curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. Fried all the ingredients till the raw flavor has reduced. Now I'll be adding the curry powder, approximately 1.5 tablespoons. So I'll fry all the ingredients. Now I'll be adding the veggies. We'll add 2.5 cups of warm water and salt as per taste. We don't want the veggies to stop cooking, so that's the reason I'm using warm water. Stir all the ingredients once and then you have to place a cover and cook the veggies till it's tender. Now it roughly took me 15 minutes to cook all the veggies till it's nice and tender. At this point I'll be adding the soya chunks. Soya chunks is a very good meat replacement. It's very tasty. We occasionally use this for curries or pulaus. It's very nice. I allow the soya chunks to cook for 10 minutes and I've added the coconut paste. Stirred all the ingredients. Adjust the water quantity if required and bring this to a rapid boil. The raw flavor from coconut should reduce and the soya chunks also should absorb all that masala. It took another 10 to 15 minutes to cook and the raw flavors to reduce. Once the raw flavor has reduced, the curry is ready at this point. I'll be switching off the stove and I've added lime juice, garnished mint and coriander and serve this as hot as possible. Turned out really good, tasted very nice. We served it with rice and we also had this curry with chapati the next day. So it was very nice and tasty. Do give this recipe a try and post your comments. All the links to my blog and social media will be in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes, friends. I've gone ahead and served this soya chunk curry. Look how tasty it looks. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.